Alright, we're back with another update. What we got going here is we are putting in our formula insulation along the walls. Alright, so it's a lot of videos on how you can do this. Some guys just lay it up against the wall, some guys glue it. I prefer to glue it myself. It's an excellent vapor barrier. Resists moisture. Basement floods all of a sudden, you know, will not retain water, will not mold. Okay, so we got this one bedroom done. We got to remove this electrical pipe. About to cut the juice off in a few seconds. So we just got these sitting here in place right now. Just going through cutting them ahead of time. Here by myself today, so figure I just go down the line, cut them. They're pretty easy to do. I have an unusual situation. I don't have an 8-foot basement. It's not sort of unusual, but a lot of people have 8-foot basements. It's not an 8-foot basement. It's an older basement. So having to, as you can see, cut off tops of each one of them, it's not a problem. Just cutting them, laying them against the wall right now. As you can see, we did pretty much the whole span. So we got a piece of wood we got to remove, and then we're going over to the other side. But that's what the walls looked like before. You know, we had a lot of repairs. If you look at my other video, we had a lot of repairs to do on these walls. We still got some repairs. Still got a whole another window we got to take out. But we're going section by section. It's working out. So this is just an updated video on our basement remodel for our dear friends John and Donna. Okay, check back with me so you can see that another update. We come back with you when we start framing. All right.